If you want to check the activation date on your Google Pixel 11 Pro, we have two methods. The first method is to open Settings, scroll down a little bit and go to About Phone. Now in here we should be able to find battery information, and then you can see date of first use. However, keep in mind that due to factory inspections before shipping, it may show that your device was used before you set it up and the cycle count may not be 0. So in my case, this is actually not the case. It says 0. So even though I actually charged my battery once to 100%, but still, it seems that the date of first use is actually correct. But in addition to that, instead of using this battery information, you can also go to your Google account here in Settings. And once you open Google Services, you can tap on your Google account here, then choose Manage your Google account. Now in here, we can find Security and Sign In. And then in this menu, you want to find Sessions on Android phones. You want to select that. And then you can find Google Pixel 11 Pro. So tap over here. You will need to verify yourself with the screen lock password, or with the fingerprint, or with the password to your Google account. And then you should be able to see the first sign-in date over here. Now keep in mind that this date is valid only if you actually signed into the selected Google account on your first day once you got your phone. You can of course still change the Google account if you used a different one, but of course this information might be slightly irrelevant if you, for example, didn't sign in straight away into your Google account once you got your phone and it took you, let's say, a week or so. Unless you remember that, and you can of course count that, then that is completely fine, of course. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.